Hey guys, welcome back. I'm sure you're wondering why do Chinese people use idioms? Generally, Chinese idioms to express anger in an argument or motivate someone to not to give up. And if you want to take your Chinese to the next level, idioms are one of the best ways to showing Chinese native speakers that you have a good command of the language. In our today's video, I will share with you the top reasons why do Chinese people use idioms. The reason is that Chinese idiom can convey information concisely. Chinese idiom is known as chengyu, which means set phrases. Chengyu usually consists of 4 characters. Idioms represent a story or allusion in ancient times, telling people some experiences, moral concepts, and admonition. For example, the Chinese idioms 守株待兔. This phrase comes from an ancient.
守株待兔, wait for gains without pains. Once upon a time, there was a farmer in the state of Song. There was a big tree in his field. He saw a hare running by in front of him. The hare bumped against the big tree, broke its neck, and died under the tree. The farmer took the hare home, cooked a delicious meal, and shared it with his family. That night he thought,
I don't have to work hard.
if I wait the hare under the tree, I can pick up one dead hare every day. So, from then on, he gave up farming and stood by the tree stump, waiting for the rabbit to come and bump his head. He waited and waited. He watched and watched. His fields were laid waste, but he never got the second hare. The people in the village laughed at him.
This idiom tells us you should work hard by yourselves. Don't expect to get something for nothing.
For example, 平时学习不努力，考试想取得好成绩，这不是守株待兔吗？
This is the scenery of Lijiang, Yunnan, China. When I come here, I was struck by the scenery here. If you want to express that, what a picturesque and beautiful scenery, then you can use the idiom 风景如画. 风景如画.
For example, 风景如画的丽江吸引了中外游客。
The next reason writing expressions is more vivid and advanced. Here is the comparison in written expression.
The expressions of the first sentences is more complicated. In the second sentences, we use the idiom 脚踏实地, which can express information more simply and at the same time mark the writer erudition.
Now that you know Chinese idiom convey information succinctly by expressing or writing. They also mark a speaker or writer's eruditions. Which Chinese idiom do you like the best? Please leave a comment below. Later, I will pick a winner and the winner will get my half-hour free lesson. They also mark a speaker or writer's erudition. Now at this point of the video, you might be wondering how to master and practice Chinese tones. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because my next video will be all about here is why your Chinese do not improve. Also check out my blog suminchinese.com for more fun and interesting ways to discover and learning about China and improve your Chinese language skills. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. 下次见，拜拜。